In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert videos in PowerPoint 2013. By the end, you'll know how to bring in a video, adjust its size and position, fine-tune how it plays, and make sure everything runs smoothly during your presentation. Start by opening your presentation and heading to the Insert tab on the ribbon. On the far right, you'll find the video command. Click it to choose where your video will come from. If the file is saved on your computer, pick Video on My PC. If your source is from the web, choose Online Video. PowerPoint will guide you through either option. If you're inserting from your computer, a file browser will open. Navigate to your video, select it, and click Insert. Give it a moment. Larger files can take a bit longer to load into the slide, so don't worry if there's a short delay. Once the video appears on your slide, you can resize it by dragging the handles along the corners or sides. Corner handles are great for keeping the proportions correct. To move the video, click and drag it to the spot that looks best. Use the alignment guides to help center it or line it up with other objects for a cleaner layout. Before you go further, preview the video. Click the play button to watch it right on the slide. Use the timeline beneath the video to jump to different moments and make sure you've inserted the right file and everything looks good. For editing and playback controls, click the video once, then go to the playback tab that appears on the ribbon. Here you can trim the video if you only need a portion. Click Trim Video, then drag the green marker to set the start point and the red marker to set the end point. Click OK to keep those changes. If you want to mark key moments, add bookmarks, move the playhead on the timeline to the exact spot you want, then click Add Bookmark. You can repeat this to create multiple markers for easy reference. Next, set how the video plays during your slideshow. In the video options group, choose automatically if you want the video to start without clicking, or on click if you'd like to control when it begins. Turn on play full screen if you want it to fill the display, and enable loop until stopped if it should repeat continuously. To polish the look, switch to the Format tab. Apply video styles like borders and effects, and update the poster frame to choose the preview image your audience sees before playback. Finally, test your presentation. Go to the Slideshow tab and run it to confirm the video plays correctly and all your settings work as expected. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips.